Usted necesita, es al otro lado. We don't have it.
Good. Damn, girl, calm down. B.
I think you need to be silent. Is that all right?
I'm going over there to the hotel.
Oh, okay. I'll hang out here while you're doing that. I just have to show a 3-minute presentation to that gentleman, and then I'll be right back down.
Yeah.
They're all watching.
So why you are here?
They're watching when I'm making the presentation. Is there another one that's open, or it's only this one that's open?
If you could go to Miss Barrio.
Sure,
I mean,
sure,
'cause
sure.
it's just
Yeah,
gonna
I don't
be-
want to distract them. That's fine.
Miss, that's
guys.
all. We're not having pizza today?
No, we aren't having pizza.
Okay, do you know how to open up a computer?
Yeah, which
Go
one?
open up for one.
Only one? Oh, look, this one is open.
Okay. ¿Hablas español?
Sí.
Oh, qué bien. Vamos a ver para que si él no sabe que nos vamos.
Okay.
This one's open.
Vamos. It's ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got the camera going? Okay. Venga así, por favor. Okay. Este